Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share projects in Replit. Let's get started. As you can see, I already have my project open in Replit. To share my project, I click the Publish button in the top right corner. This opens the publishing window, where I can choose who can access my project. I can make the project public, so that anyone with the project link can view it online. I can also review the project settings before publishing. Once everything looks good, I simply click the Publish button. After the project is published, Replit creates a shareable link that I can send to anyone. This is a quick and easy way to share your work with friends, classmates, clients, or team members, and that's how you can share projects in Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.